cut across to more breaking news coming in after Republic filed that in-depth investigation of how infiltration has been on the rise in Jharkhand that is slated to have its results declared. Jharkhand Congress in charge Ghulam Ahmad Mir has now come out in support of infiltration. Ghulam Mir made a shocking statement in Bokaro where he said that if the JMM Congress government comes to power, then the government will provide cylinder at 450 rupees to Hindus and Muslims as well as infiltrators.
वादा दिया जनता को कि जैसे सरकार बनेगी 1 दिसंबर से गैस सिलेंडर का कीमत सिर्फ 450 रुपए। ये आम जनता, ना उसमें हिंदू देखा जाएगा, ना मुसलमान देखा जाएगा, ना घुसपैठिए देखा जाएगा, तो ना कोई और चीज देखा जाएगा। जो भी झारखंड वासी है वो किसी भी सोच से हो, किसी भी तबके से हो, उसको 450 रुपए में गैस सिलेंडर दिया जाएगा। ये हमारा प्रोग्राम। और हमने वादा दिया जनता को कि जैसे सरकार बनेगी 1 दिसंबर से गैस सिलेंडर का कीमत सिर्फ 450 रुपए। ये आम जनता, ना उसमें हिंदू देखा जाएगा, ना मुसलमान देखा जाएगा, ना घुसपैठिए देखा जाएगा, तो ना कोई और चीज देखा जाएगा। जो भी झारखंड वासी है वो किसी भी सोच से हो, किसी भी तबके से हो, उसको 450 रुपए में गैस सिलेंडर दिया जाएगा। ये
Cutting across to Prakash Singh joining us on the broadcast. Prakash, an open admission by the Congress in charge in Jharkhand where he's not just saying that yes, infiltration is happening, he's rather saying that if we come to power, we will make it happen.
Well, this is a shocking statement from the Congress party, and all the more the Congress party was in a denial mode, and the JMM, the Congress, were till date saying that infiltration issue is a union government subject. But now it's a honest confession by the Congress party in charge, saying that if we come to power, then we will provide cylinder at the rate of rupees 450 to Hindu, Muslims as well as Ghuspatia. He used the word Ghuspatia, that there will be no discrimination between Hindu, Muslims or Ghuspatia, meaning thereby all are equals. And even people who have migrated or infiltrated from Bangladesh on fake identity cards, and what Republic TV has exposed, all the fake documents from marrying tribal women to grabbing lands, it has been given credentials by the Congress party in charge. And it goes to show that it's an open admission and confession by the Congress party and the BJP. I spoke to BJP leader Anurag Thakur. He openly castigated the Congress party that the Rahul Gandhi, Lalu Yadav, Hemant Soren, all are patronizing the appeasement policy openly, and as a result of which what they feel they have said out openly, and the the statement made by Ghulam Ahmad Mir is a confessional statement and a testimony to what they feel. So it's a shocker in Jharkhand today, and BJP upping the ante against the JMM Congress government here in Jharkhand, and with the second phase of polls slated to be held on 20th of this month. This is going to be a major poll plank with Prime Minister and Amit Shah's rally slated to be held in different parts of Jharkhand, and they will come out in the open and openly castigate and slam the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha-led government here in Jharkhand. Back to you.
In fact, Prakash, the BJP had been making statements to this effect, and Republic actually conducted an on-ground investigation. Our colleague Harsha, who has literally received statements to the effect where locals there say that it is only a matter of time and the Hindu population can completely diminish if infiltration continues at this rate. Despite that, the JMM Congress, of course, indicating that all this while it has been happening under their patronage, and they will continue to do so.
Well, yes, the recent statistics and data certainly show that in 17 to 18 districts of Jharkhand, especially in the Santhal Pargana and the Kolhan area, where the second phase of polls are slated to be held, there has been a predominant decrease in the tribal population and influx of infiltrators from Bangladesh to different parts of Jharkhand has taken place, and recent data and statistics which has been conducted by various agencies as well as which has put forward by the BJP leaders, and Hemanta Biswa Sarma and certain other BJP leaders have made it a role plank, has really been a cause of concern here in Jharkhand, and it's the most talking point, and it has created resonance among the people of Jharkhand, especially in the urban areas. But as far as the tribal voters are concerned, they are mainly with the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, but the results of the election on 23rd of this month will clearly indicate as to which way the wind is blowing. But this is a cause of concern, and what Ghulam Mohammad Mir has openly confessed in a rally in Bokaro is a grey area for sure, and it's a thought to ponder for the Congress party, which has given, which in fact I will say that it's a self-goal by the Congress party, and which has given an issue for the BJP top leadership, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah, who are slated to hold rallies in different parts of Jharkhand ahead of the second phase of polls. We'll wait and watch what kind of counter-attack is launched by the top leadership of the BJP in the days to come. Back to you.